So, in front of me I've got Hama Twin speaker. In this video I'll show you how to manage gestures. First, let's take a look at the top of the speaker. Right here we've got the power buttons. Press them for 3 seconds to turn the speaker on and off. The speaker will automatically go to standby mode if it's not used for at least 8 minutes. On the bottom of the speaker we've got the plus and minus buttons. Tap plus button once on each speaker to increase the volume, minus to decrease it. Tap and hold for 3 seconds to change to next song, and tap and hold for 3 seconds to go to previous song. If you want to charge your speakers, open this silicone cover and connect your speaker to USB-C charging cable. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.